While we're dealing with cooling underneath the hood, we might as well just keep going down the road and deal with our engine cooling. Now, to keep this LS cool underneath the hood of the C10, I've got this heavy-duty Summit Racing LS-swapped radiator. Now, this is a two-row radiator that comes with two high-speed, high-flow electric fans and a shroud already installed. At the same time, I had them send me a whole bunch of AN line as well as AN Weld-In Bungs and their AN fittings. Now, this is all -16, which means that it's 1 inch inside diameter that should be able to flow the coolant very easily. And the nice thing with the LS is you can get these thermostat adapters like this one from Summit Racing, which will just bolt onto the water pump and basically adapt it to AN as well. We will have to weld a bung onto the top of the water pump, and I'll have to weld these bungs onto the radiator as well to convert it over to the AN fittings.